There is the gleam. I haven't removed the supports yet, and we have a lot of 3D print going on, but for now I'm trying to edit this kind of couplers, but this company contacted me, that one right there. So they asked me if I can test one of the resins, and they sent me 3 boxes, 3 kilos of resin, which is very good because we can 3D print some of these couplers. You know, the couplers have a lot of stress, and the resin is ABS like. So hopefully we can do some tests with this resin. I haven't done any test yet. They just arrived today. They sent me this for free, and I will do some tests, not only couplers but also some of those shells or parts that had some stress. But since it is the end of the year, I cannot do a lot. But look at this. I already done this before, but this time we are doing some update. This model was 3D printed almost in a single piece. It is bling, and I change with no rods, so I'm using screws. Look how it looks underneath. I'm going to have this ready soon. This was the prototype. See this part right here? Now it's gone, and I changed also the lamp. There's a weak part. See behind here is this part right here was kind of weak on the lamp, and the sign I had to adjust the printing settings. This is the new redesigned model. Have the parts ready to go. I have only few. I only have like 6 or 7. And yes, I always post on PayPal. I always share the links, and a lot of people have been buying. Thank you for your purchase. I try to avoid eBay. I try. There are a lot of fees on eBay involved, and I don't like too much fees, and at the end we have to increase the prices, and I don't like that. But talking about this, I might do something similar like this with a lady. I wasn't able to adapt the motor. I can, but it will take me a lot of time. But I'm thinking, what if we just add something like a freewheeling lady, and we can keep the shape, the form of the model, and not distort the model, adapting adding a motor or Trackmaster setup wheels, you know. I still can do that. I will try, but since I'm doing a lot of projects at the same time, sometimes I left behind some, but I'll keep you updated. Yes, this also will be ready very soon. I think at the beginning of the year, for some who might want Hector. Remember, Hector is very large. According to the pictures, I tried to make it the same size or a little bit longer than Thomas. But anyways,